Here is another example of solving systems of equations with substitution. So we have 2x plus y equals negative 10 and y equals x plus 8. Since y equals x plus 8, we are going to take that and we are going to substitute it back into the top equation. So now our top equation becomes 2x plus, instead of y, now x plus 8 equals negative 10. From here, we are going to solve like normal. So I'm going to draw my line down my equal sign. I'm going to combine my x's together to get 3x now plus 8 equals negative 10. We're going to subtract 8 from both sides to get 3x equals negative 18. So to solve, we are going to divide both sides by 3, and we get x equals negative 6. Since we know x is negative 6, we are going to take that and we're going to plug that back in for our x to find our y. So we know y equals x plus 8, so we're going to substitute that with a negative 6 plus 8. So now y is equal to positive 2. So our final answer we're going to write as an ordered pair is negative 6, comma 2. It's always a great idea to go back to check to make sure that this works out.